Joe is about to go back in time to save someone's life. But it will be at the expense of everyone he knows. His life is about to take a turn he never expected. Friends who never knew him. An adventure that was not his. A world where he did not exist. A crash that never happened. And it's all because of one small red fly.